Hello, and welcome to Nova, STEM Plus. Today, I'm going to explain the lesson. 4. Let's get started. This lesson focuses on microcontrollers, their components, and how they are used to automate tasks using sensors. Here's a breakdown of the key concepts covered in this lesson. What is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit, IC, that includes a processor, CPU, memory, and input-output, I/O interfaces. It is designed to perform specific tasks based on programmed instructions. Examples of microcontroller-based devices: streetlights with light sensors, turn on at night and off during the day automatically; washing machines, follow programmed; cycles based on user input; microwave ovens, operate for a set time at a specific temperature; solar lamps, automatically turn on when it gets dark. Components of a microcontroller. A microcontroller consists of 4 main components. Board, central processing unit, CPU, executes instructions and processes data, acts as the brain of the microcontroller. 2. Memory, non-volatile memory, ROM, flash, stores the program permanently, even without power. Volatile memory, RAM, temporarily stores data while the microcontroller is operating. System clock, a device that controls the timing of operations in the microcontroller, ensures tasks execute at the correct speed. Peripheral devices, I/O pins, used for input, e.g. sensors, buttons, and output, e.g. LEDs, motors, can handle both analog and digital signals. Use of sensors with microcontrollers. Sensors detect changes in the environment and provide data to the microcontroller. Examples of sensors used in microcontroller-based systems: light sensors, control street lights; temperature sensors, regulate air conditioners; soil moisture sensors, automate irrigation systems. When a sensor detects a change, the microcontroller processes the data and triggers an appropriate action. Types of microcontroller-based devices. Microcontrollers are used in various electronic devices, including single-board computers, SBCs. Example: Raspberry Pi, used for complex tasks like robotics; single-chip computers, SCCs. Example: Arduino, popular for beginner programming and automation projects. Microcontroller-based kits. Micro.bit, a small board with built-in sensors used for coding education. Arduino, a widely used microcontroller board for DIY electronics. Programming microcontrollers. Microcontrollers need programs written in languages like C, Python, or block-based coding tools to function. The program defines how the microcontroller responds to input from sensors and produces output. For example, a light sensor program might read the sensor value. If the light level is low, turn the light on. If the light level is high, turn the light off. Summary: a microcontroller is a small computer that can perform specific automated tasks. It consists of a CPU, memory, system clock, and I/O pins. Sensors provide data to microcontrollers, which process the information and trigger actions. Microcontrollers are used in streetlights, washing machines, solar lamps, and other automated systems. Devices like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Microbit help in learning and implementing microcontroller-based projects.
Run it again, stacking the wins, money on flow, the grind never ends. Came from the bottom, now we ascend, turning the L's into lessons to spin. Run it again, goes on my mind, I'm right to the end. Pushing the limit, no time to pretend. Came here to ball, it's time to ascend. Hustle like clockwork, getting non-stop, from the pavement to the penthouse top. Dreams too big, they try to make them shrink, but I'm blowing up fast like I'm lit with the ink. Every move heavy, got the world on my shoulders. Ice in my face, my grind's getting colder. Chasing my vision, they chasing my glow. Stay in my lane when they follow the show. I'm in my my bag, yeah, I'm in my prime. Money on top, never dropping it down. They try to block, but I made my way. Now we running it up, it's a brand new day. Running again, stacking the wins. Money on flow, the grind never ends. Came from the bottom, now we ascend. Turning the L's into lessons instead. Running again, goes on my mind.